Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this super cute, easy fall centerpiece. So to start, I got this edible arrangement vase from Goodwill. On the tag it was $1.99, but I did get it only for $1 because I got it on 50% off day. I had gone to Walmart and I got the Waverly chalk paint in moss green. I have been obsessed with this color and I thought it'd be super cute for what I was going to do today. So first I went through and I did my first coat. After I did the first coat, I let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and once it was completely dry, I went through and I did a second coat as well. So here it is completely dry, and I did have this already laying around just from previous DIY projects before, but it was a little square of styrofoam. I just hot glued that to the bottom. So the flowers and the pumpkins had come from Walmart and the rest of the floral arrangements did come from the Dollar Tree. So I did go through and I tried to cut these with scissors, and let me tell you what, it does not work. You do need wire cutters. So I had to go out to the garage and find some wire cutters. When it came to this part, I did go through and I placed the daisies in there first. And then with everything else, I was kind of just filling it in where I saw that it was needed. I did try to keep a lot of the taller floral pieces in the center versus having them stick out on the side as much. But truly, I don't think I really had a rhyme or reason to where I was placing things. As long as it filled the spot, looked good, I kept it there. And here is the final product. I am absolutely in love with how this turned out. This is going to go on our coffee table in our living room. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe so I can see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.